Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Use 8 ounces of 2% milk per serving. Measure carefully to match Starbucks texture and flavor. Stir together 2 tablespoons Dutch processed cocoa and 1 tablespoon sugar so the chocolate base is balanced and not bitter. Add 1 tablespoon Starbucks-style mocha sauce or 1 teaspoon instant hot chocolate mix for that signature syrupy sweetness and slight coffee note. Include a pinch of salt to enhance flavor, and optionally 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract for roundness. Prepare whipped cream and chocolate shavings. Warm milk to 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling, to preserve creaminess and avoid scalding. Heat slowly over medium-low. Whisk cocoa mixture into a small amount of warmed milk to make a smooth paste first, ensuring no lumps remain and maximum cocoa bloom. Add the paste back to the pan, then add mocha sauce and whisk until fully emulsified. Simmer the combined mixture for 45 to 60 seconds, whisking constantly to develop texture and glossy finish, before removing from heat and serving immediately. Top with 1 to 2 tablespoons of whipped cream and chocolate shavings for the classic Starbucks presentation, and dust with cocoa or cinnamon if desired. Use whole milk or 2% for creaminess. Non-fat will be thinner and alter mouthfeel, while half and half increases richness. Adjust sweetness by plus or minus 1 tablespoon of sugar or mocha sauce to match preference, and offer mini marshmallows or flavored syrups like peppermint for seasonal variations. Serve in a pre-warmed mug, and enjoy immediately for best texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.